Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, in this episode I'm going to show you how to replace the upper timing cover on the 4G63s. As you saw in the Track Evo 8 vlog, when we replaced the crankshaft position sensor, mine was cracked. So I've managed to source another one, and this is a special one. It's a genuine HKS upper timing cover. So in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how to replace that. Right, so we're going to start by just cracking that bolt here for the power steering, just to get a bit of space there, and then we'll just undo the cover bolts. There's my beautiful Tomei cam gears with my Gates Racing timing belt. Alright, so the new HKS cover comes with these little dowels and a new seal. So this seal goes there, and then the dowels obviously in the holes. Alright. So a little bit tricky just to put this seal on. I had to put a little bit of glue just to help it stay. So all we got to do now is just slide it in. Okay, so there it is. It's all installed. It's simple. Alright guys, so like I said, nice and easy job. The HKS cover is in. Now you can see my Tomei cam gears. I reckon it looks sick. Adds to the character of the engine bay, race car life. So I hope you guys liked this video. Hope you guys learnt a little bit. Check out my other videos. Check out the Evo 8 track build vlog. We've still got plenty of stuff to do on this car. Like and subscribe. Tell all your mates. And I'll see you guys at the next video.